Hi, today I'm going to unbox this Redmi Buds 3 Pro. So this one they have 35 mAh per earbuds and it could last like 6 hours with 50% of volume and around 28 hours for including the case. So it has a Bluetooth 5.2 and active noise cancellation and dual device. This one meaning you can connect to the laptop and to the phone at the same time, and if your phone ring then it can switch to the phone and switch back to your laptop. So they have wireless charging as well, and this is what it comes with the box. USB type C, and this is the seal size manual book, warranty notice, and the case. Okay, so there's button here, USB type C, and this is the size. It's quite huge. So that's all for the unboxing. See you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.